Are you tired of sweaty armpits and chemical-loaded deodorant? Well, today we're making a game-changing DIY natural deodorant that is gentle enough for sensitive skin and super effective. No weird chemicals, just pure goodness, and it's easier than you think. So grab your mixing bowls and let's get our natural groove on. For this natural deodorant for sensitive skin, you are going to need shea butter, you will need coconut oil, arrowroot powder, zinc oxide, make sure is non-nano, which is safe for all ages, is suitable for babies, children and adults with delicate skin. And containers to keep your deodorant. I will link everything that I've used in the description box below. First thing first, we're going to melt the shea butter and we'll be using the double boiler method, but you can also use the microwave and microwave it for 15 seconds, but I prefer using the double boiler method. For this, transfer enough shea butter so that you'll come up with 3 tablespoons of shea butter that we're going to be used for the deodorant. Here are some of the properties of shea butter. It deeply hydrates the skin and it also contains anti-inflammatory properties rich in vitamins A and E, which promotes skin healing and regeneration, and is full of antioxidant properties and supports skin barrier. Once the shea butter is melted, you need to transfer 3 tablespoons of the shea butter into another container. I'm using this glass container to mix the deodorant before I transfer it into the deodorant containers. For this, you're going to need 3 tablespoons of shea butter, which is equivalent to 45 ml of melted shea butter. As I mentioned earlier on, you're going to transfer this in another container, which you're going to be using to mix all your ingredients before you finally transfer it into your deodorant container. I'm also using the double boiler method to be able to melt my coconut oil because it's solid, but if you're using liquid coconut oil, you can go ahead and add it to the shea butter. Here are some of the benefits of using coconut oil. It has antimicrobial and antifungal properties due to the lauric acid. It's also perfect for moisturizing skins by giving it a deep hydration, which is ideal for sensitive skin. It's a natural preservative and has a long shelf life due to its antimicrobial properties. It soothes the skin, which helps reduce irritation and inflammation, and it's lightweight and absorbs quickly. Once the coconut oil has melted, you're going to go ahead and transfer the melted coconut oil into the shea butter container. You will transfer 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which is equivalent to 30 ml of coconut oil, into the melted shea butter container. So if you don't fancy using coconut oil, there's other alternative that you could use. You could use jojoba oil or almond oil. Once this is done, go ahead and mix the 2 oils together before you move on to the next step. Then I went ahead and used this organic arrowroot powder. Try as much as possible to use organic ingredients because you don't want your ingredient to be messed up with other stuff. And we're using 2 tablespoons of this. If you don't have arrowroot powder, you can go ahead and use cornstarch or kaolin clay. Then I went ahead and added 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder into the oils, and this is your secret weapon for staying dry and fresh. Other benefits of arrowroot powder is good for absorbing moisture and keeps your underarms dry by absorbing the sweat. It softens the skin, which provides smooth and soft feeling. It's a natural deodorizer, which helps control odor without synthetic chemicals. It's gentle for sensitive skins, non-irritating, and is suitable for delicate skin types. It also acts as a thickener, which gives your deodorant formulation a smooth and pleasant texture. If you find these tips useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And this is the secret weapon that we're going to use, zinc oxide non-nano. Make sure it is non-nano because this doesn't get absorbed into your bloodstream. Other benefits of using non-nano zinc oxide, it acts as a barrier protection, which creates a protective barrier on the skin, shielding it from irritants. It also soothes the skin. It has calming properties that reduces redness and inflammation. It also has antimicrobial effects, which helps reduce bacteria that contribute to odor. It acts as sun protection, and it is safe for sensitive skin. And for this, we'll be using 1 tablespoon of non-nano zinc oxide. For best results, ensure the spoon is perfectly level with no heaping. Then go ahead and add the non-nano zinc oxide into the rest of the ingredient and mix well. Once you're happy with the mixture, you can go ahead and add your favorite essential oil. And for those with sensitive skin, it's advisable to use 2 or 3 types of essential oils at once and make sure the quantity is around 10 to 20 drops in total, depending on the strength of the oil and your scent preferences. For this deodorant, I've used lemon, tea tree, and sweet orange. Some of the best essential oil for sensitive skin, to name a few, is lavender, chamomile, tea tree, rose orange blossom. If you have sensitive skin and you have the perfect essential oil that does not react with your skin, do let me know in the comment section below. Also bear in mind, you should always dilute your essential oils properly by using 1 to 2 drops per teaspoon of carrier oil for skin application. Once everything is mixed and looking smooth, pour it into your favorite jar or deodorant stick container. Make sure you stick around all the way to the end, as I'll be showing you the right amount of deodorant you need to apply on your armpit. Once all are done, just pop them into the fridge for about an hour or until it's solid. I normally leave mine overnight and use it the following day. And voila, you have your very own natural sensitive skin approved deodorant. Say goodbye to synthetic chemicals and hello to fresh, happy armpits. Plus, it smells amazing because you made it with love. When it comes to applying the deodorant, here are a few things that you need to bear in mind. Make sure that the skin is clean and dry. Then take a small pea-sized amount of deodorant with your fingers and rub it together before you apply on your armpit. Make sure you spread the deodorant evenly over your underarms and give the deodorant a few minutes to set before dressing. This helps prevent transfer to clothing. Depending on your activity level and sweat, you might need to reapply during the day. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. You can share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY and skincare tips. If you try making your own deodorant, I would like to hear how it turns out. Leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.